Good morning, students. Today we are studying about the human reproduction. In this chapter, we have to study about the male reproductive system, female reproductive system, gametogenesis, menstrual cycle, fertilization, implantation. So these portions we have to complete here in this chapter. So first we are studying about which one? Male reproductive system. Already is given in your book also, same thing again and again I am saying. You have to follow your NCERT book A to Z, means line by line. Everything is written here also, same thing is written there also. So you have to follow it because questions are coming on the basis of that only. So now we are coming that I have written in the here it is written in the point wise, that is the difference, otherwise all are same. So in male reproductive system, what you have to learn here, and it includes primary sex organs, that is testes, and secondary sex organs like accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. Okay, so you have to turn by turn you have to study about the testes and then accessory ducts and glands and external genitalia. So first we are studying about the testes. Testes are located outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch that is called scrotum, which maintains the low temperature of testes, that is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than normal body temperature. This reduced temperature is needed for the production of which one? Sperm. That process is called spermatogenesis. Okay, so why it is placed outside the body? Because outside the body the temperature is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than normal body temperature, and this temperature is required for the spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? Production of the sperm. That process is called spermatogenesis. Okay, so testes, that is the male reproductive system, that is main primary sex organ, that is placed or present in scrotum, that is a pouch outside the abdominal cavity. Okay, next is the you have to study about the its testis is oval shaped with a length of 4.5 centimeter width and 2 to 3 centimeter. Length of 4.5 centimeter or width कितना है 2 to 3 centimeter. Covered by a dense covering called the tunica albuginea. Means the covering of testis or membrane of testis is known as tunica albuginea. Next one is coming about the internally. It is divided into 250 compartment that is known as the testicular lobules. Okay, each lobules contains 1 to 3 highly coiled structural and functional unit of testes called the seminiferous tubules, in which sperms are produced. So this is a structure of which one? Seminiferous tubule. Okay, so if we are studying about this one is the structure of which ones? It is called the scrotum here, scrotal skin, and this one is testis. Look at there. These chambers are called testicular lobules, है ना? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Testicular lobules. Inside the testicular lobules, look at there. These are called seminiferous tubules. Okay, these are separated from each other. So the lobules are separated from each other, and within that lobules who are present there? Seminiferous tubules. ये जो tubule like structure इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Seminiferous tubule. अगर if I am drawing here, okay, so inside that one what is present? These are called seminiferous tubules. Okay, so these are seminiferous tubules are present here, and another one is it is the separator is present. So different lobules are present here. These are different lobules, and they are actually attached with which one? Retitestis. Afterwards will be coming there. So this is called, this lobule like structure, this is actually called, these are called testicular lobules, so many are there, and this is called seminiferous tubules. Okay, now we are coming about the seminiferous tubules here. Structure of seminiferous tubule, how it is, what is made up of, and what are the cells present here, how they are taking part in spermatogenesis process. Okay, Now we are coming. Each lobule contain 1 to 3 highly coiled structural and functional units of testis called the seminiferous tubule. Already I have shown you. Seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by two types of cells. These are called actually जो आप अभी हम लोगों ने lobule दिखाया, all are these lobules here. So these seminiferous tubules are lined by two types of cells. What are the cells here? Now that is called male germ cells or spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. You can see that one. This is called spermatogonia. Spermatogonia कौन सा है? This one. This is a basic one है ना. Basic level में जो बड़े 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 cells दिखते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Spermatogonia. ठीक है. और उसके बाद ये जो sperms are production that is called spermatozoa. In between that cells are, these are called Sertoli cells. थोड़ा सा elongated cells आपको दिख रहे हैं. These are called actually Sertoli cells. Look at there. Already it is mentioned. These are called Sertoli cells. Okay. So ये दो टाइप की सेल आपको दिखेगा seminiferous tubule की inside. What are they? One is spermatogonia, another is Sertoli cells. Okay. Next one, male germ cell. जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Spermatogonia. Male germ cells को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Spermatogonia. They undergo meiotic division leading to the formation of which one? Spermatozoa. That means spermatogonia is twice and ploidy जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं diploid. ये meiotic division के थ्रू क्या हो जाएगा? Haploid. That is called spermatozoa. Okay. Sertoli cells provide the nutrition to the germ cells and hence called nurse cell. तो ये हो गया Sertoli cells. They are providing the nutrition to the spermatozoa that is producing, या sperms that is producing, and spermatogonia are the cells which are by meiotic cell division producing the spermatozoa. Okay, two types of cells आपको दिख गए. तो Sertoli cell nutrition provide करते हैं sperms जो production हो रही है उसके लिए, और spermatogonia जो है they are producing the spermatozoa or the sperms actually. Next one you are coming. The interstitial spaces are present in between the seminiferous tubules which contain small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. ये जो है इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? interstitial spaces. Between the ये seminiferous tubule है, ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी है, ये सब है. तो इनके between जो cells present होता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? interspace को हम लोग बोलेंगे interstitial space, और सेल्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? इंटरस्टिशियल सेल, जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? लेडिक सेल. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल्स व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इन टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स, है ना. टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स अगेन प्रेजेंट हुआ है इनसाइड द टेस्टिस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन वी आर कमिंग अबाउट द लेडिक सेल की फंक्शन क्या है? दे आर सिक्रेटिंग एंड सिंथेसाइजिंग द टेस्टिकुलर हार्मोन्स. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एंड्रोजेंस. जो टेस्टिकुलर हार्मोन्स जो होते हैं उसको प्रोड्यूस करते हैं कौन? लेडिक सेल. लेडिक सेल्स इज प्रोड्यूसिंग द एंड्रोजन टेस्टोस्टेरॉन, है ना, मेनली टेस्टोस्टेरॉन. तो इसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं. तो ये हो गया आपकी टेस्टिस के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन. नेक्स्ट हो गया एक्सेसरी डक्ट्स क्या क्या है. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अगेन. तो यहाँ पे क्या क्या है ना? रीटी टेस्टिस है, वासा इफ्रेंशिया है, एपिडिडाइमिस है, वास डिफरेंस है. ये है डक्ट्स, मतलब कैनल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट वन ईयर कमिंग. शॉर्ट स्ट्रेट एंड सेगमेंट्स ऑफ द सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल आर कॉल्ड ट्यूबुली रेक्टी. देखो आपको बहुत अच्छे से दिख जाएगा इधर. ये मैंने आपको बोली दी कि दीज आर एक्चुअली टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स एंड इन बिटवीन इनसाइड द टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स हु आर प्रेजेंट. ये जो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल. ठीक है. सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल और ये टेस्टिकुलर जो लोब्यूल्स जो है इसका जो एंड है ना, तो सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल्स की जो एंड है दैट इज दिस पोर्शन. ये जो एंड पोर्शन आपको दिख रहे है ना, दिस एंड पोर्शन इज एक्चुअली कॉल्ड द ट्यूबुली रेक्टी. देखो यहाँ पे लेवल करके रखा है. दिस एंड पोर्शन, ये जो कैनल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, छोटा छोटा कैनल आके कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे एक प्रोडक्शन, यहाँ पे एक ऑर्गन सिस्टम को आ रहे, दैट इज एक्चुअली ऑर्गन को आ रहे. इसको इसीलिए इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ट्यूबुली रेक्टी. ठीक है. These tubules connect the seminiferous tubule to the highly branched, ये ब्रांच जो है cuboidal epithelium lined channels called rete testis. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ये ट्यूबुली रेक्टी आके कहाँ पे कंबाइन हो रहे हैं ना? यहाँ पे रीटी टेस्टिस में, है ना. तो ये क्या है ना? हाईली ब्रांच्ड क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम लाइंड चैनल्स. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? रीटी टेस्टिस. फ्रॉम रीटी टेस्टिस, देखो रीटी टेस्टिस से फिर से चैनल क्रिएट हो रहे हैं. है ना, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, वासा इफ्रेंसिया। फ्रॉम रिटी टेस्टिस 10 to 25 फाइन ट्यूबल्स अराइज कॉल्ड द वासा इफ्रेंसिया that leave the testis and open into one more coiled duct that is called epididymis। ये जो स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिख रहा है that is actually called the epididymis structure। ओके तो अभी देखो ये जो है दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअली वासा इफरेंशिया। वासा इफरेंशिया इज नाउ कनेक्टिंग विथ विच वन, ना कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज कॉल्ड एपिडिडाइमिस। नाउ एपिडिडाइमिस किसकी तरफ जा रहे हैं, इट लीड्स टू वन मोर डक्ट दैट इज एक्चुअली कॉल्ड द वास डिफरेंस। इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, वास डिफरेंस। ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपकी वास डिफरेंस। दिस इज कॉल्ड डक्ट ऑफ एपिडिडाइमिस। These all are testicular lobules। ठीक है, इसके बाद क्या आ जाता है ना, वास डिफरेंस। अभी क्या हो जाएगा, ये वास डिफरेंस है, अभी ये कॉइल्ड राउंड होगा किसके चारों तरफ, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर की चारों तरफ। इट रिसीव्स अ डक्ट फ्रॉम द सेमिनल वेसिकल टू फॉर्म द इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट एंड दैट रन्स थ्रू द प्रोस्टेट एंड ओपन्स इनटू द यूरेथ्रा। देखो ये जो चीज़ है थोड़ा सा आपको समझा देते हैं इस चीज़ को। That is here, it is actually shown here. This is testis, this one is testis, this one is scrotum, जो pouch like structure, this one epididymis। तो scrotum मतलब testis से क्या हुआ ना, tubulorecti, then retitestis, then vasa efferentia, then epididymis होके now it is coming vas deferens। देखो vas deferens आके किसके चारों तरफ, that is rounding surround which one, it is called urinary bladder। इसके चारों तरफ से कॉल्ड अप होके दैट इज कॉल्ड यूरेथ्रा, है ना, जिसके थ्रू यूरिन इज इंजेक्टिंग आउट। सो नाउ इन बिटवीन लुक एट देयर, सो दिस डक्ट इज कमिंग, वास डिफरेंस इज कमिंग एंड नाउ रिसीविंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ विच वन, ना सेमिनल वेसिकल। इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, सेमिनल वेसिकल। देन अगेन इट इज combining with each one urinary bladder and then it is coming the prostate gland। ओके सो ये सेमिनल वेसिकल है, ये प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड है एंड देन इट इज कमिंग अबाउट द काउपर्स ग्लैंड। सो नाउ दिस डक्ट, है ना, दिस डक्ट इज एक्चुअली रिसीविंग व्हिच वन, द सिक्रेशन ऑफ सेमिनल वेसिकल, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड एंड काउपर्स ग्लैंड along with the urine, that is a common urinogenital duct। okay, it is actually carrying the urine also as well as the genital product। so now vas deferens is coiled around which one, urinary bladder and receiving the secretion of which one, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Cowper's gland along with the urine। so now it is coming about the duct। so duct we are coming now। so now urethra, urethra means through which the urine is coming out, that duct so runs through the prostate and opens into the urethra। urethra receive the ducts of, क्या क्या ducts के receive होते हैं ना, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland, that is called Cowper's gland and runs through the penis to its external opening। इस opening को हम क्या बोलेंगे, urethral meatus। ठीक है, this opening is called urethral meatus। here also we can see both the side testis is there and from the testis the vas deferens is actually circulating around which one, urinary bladder and then it is actually receiving the secretion of seminal vesicle and this is called prostate gland, these are called Cowper's gland or bulbourethral gland and then it is carrying all the content where in the penile urethra and then it is coming out through urethral or urethral meatus। okay, now it is coming about the accessory gland। who are the gland here, a pair of seminal vesicle, a prostate gland, a pair of bulbourethral gland, Cowper's gland। तो ये तीन ग्लैंड की सिक्रेशन ये they are the production of the, they are actually carrying out by this urethra। the secretion of all these gland is called seminal plasma। seminal vesicle secrete which one, alkaline seminal fluid that contain fructose, citrate and prostaglandin, actually they are providing the nutrition। prostate gland secretes slightly acidic milky fluid containing calcium proteolytic enzyme। दिस फ्लूइड प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड की जो सिक्रेशन ये नारिश करते हैं एंड एक्टिवेट्स द स्पर्माटोजोआ टू स्विम। स्पर्माटोजोआ एक्चुअली द प्रीवियस स्टेज ऑफ स्पर्म। Alkaline bulbourethral gland secretion helps in the lubrication of the urogenital tract and also क्योंकि bulbourethral gland किसके पास urinary bladder के पास नीचे होता है and neutralize any acid or urine present in the urethra. Seminal plasma along with sperm is called the semen. So last of all, what we are coming there? Totally it is coming, all the glands are present here and their secretion, they are providing the nutrition as well as the sperm, they are helping the sperm to swim as well as they are actually killing or neutralizes any acid of urine present in the urethra. So these are the three types of glands, the receiving the secretion of the gland. And last is coming about the external genitalia. It is the penis. It is made up of special erectile tissue that helps in the erection of the penis, and the enlarged tip of the penis is called the glans penis and it is covered by a loose fold of skin that is called the foreskin or prepuce. So it is coming here. So this is a penis structure and it is actually gland penis. The vascular structure is called gland penis and the foreskin, that is called, this is called foreskin, the skinny structure that is covering it. So first and to last again we are revising this portion. So first of all is testis. Here it is consisting of male reproductive system consisting of which one? A pair of testes and the accessory ducts, glands and external genitalia. ठीक है, testis कहाँ पे located है ना? Outside the body, inside in a pouch like structure within called, that is called scrotum. Why it is placed? Because it is actually 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature, and spermatogenesis means process of sperm, production of the sperms require that much temperature for production of the sperms comfortably. Okay. Next, testis की structure अगर बोला जाए तो इस testis is a oval shaped with a length of 4 to 5 centimeter width, and then the testis is actually made up of some testicular lobules, and testicular lobules are actually containing which one? They are containing some this is called seminiferous tubule, and these seminiferous tubules are now, we can say that one is so many testicular lobules are there in that way, and these testicular lobules, they are actually ending is known as which one? This ending as known as tubular recti, and these tubular recti are forming which one? They are actually forming one cuboidal epithelium structure that is called actually, these are called rete testes, and these rete testes again they are opening where? There also some opening is there. These are called vasa efferentia. This vasa efferentia again they are opening where? Now this is actually a kidney, if we are talking about the kidney structure here, and this vasa efferentia is actually they are one meeting with which one? One epididymis. Okay, so this is called epididymis structure. Okay, so this is epididymis, and there the second layer is actually joining with this one. This is actually second layer, this is actually second layer, and they are actually, so now this is the epididymis structure. Okay, this is coiled structure. So this is tubular recti, this is rete testis, this is vasa efferentia, this is epididymis, and this one is called vas deferens. Okay, and this vas deferens again from the, if we are coming about the testis again, so this is the epididymis. Okay, and this vas deferens again coiled around which one? They are coiled around the urinary bladder. Okay, so this is about the structure here, and here they are actually receiving the seminal vesicle. Their seminal vesicle structures are there. Let's go to one. Next, here it is coming about which one? Urinary bladder structure, and again here it is coming about the which one? What is that? That is prostate gland, and after prostate gland it is coming about which one again? Bulbourethral gland, and then it is actually coming about the urethra. Okay, पेनिटल यूरेथ्रा जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, and this is the urethral structure. So this is seminal vesicle secretion is also added here, and it is coming about the Cowper's, this is prostate gland, this is Cowper's gland. They are actually providing the nutrition as well as which one? They are helping the sperm or spermatogen, not sperm, to swim out, and as well as this prostate gland, their secretion is also actually neutralize the acid in the urine, and bulbourethral gland also providing nutrition this one bulbourethral gland also providing the also neutralizing the acidity of the urine there, so and helping in the swimming property of the sperm also, and as well as the providing nutrition. Okay, this is structure of which one? This is duct system, you know. This together it is from the duct system, and this structure is actually we are representing here. They are water present. Now these are all are seminal vesicle and seminiferous tubule, and this seminiferous tubule they are seminal vesicle now. Seminiferous tubule, there it is actually the inner line is actually arranged by which one? The spermatogonia, and they are also spermatozoa they are actually producing, and some Sertoli cells are also present, they are providing nutrition to the spermatozoa. Okay, and this is called interstitial space, and in this interstitial space the interstitial cells, or the we can say the Leydig cells are present there, and these Leydig cells are actually producing which one? The hormones, that is called the androgens, mainly the testosterone. Okay, so today only this much means about the male reproductive system, their structure, and seminal vesicle, seminiferous, this is seminiferous tubule, and this is about the structure of the testis, and then it is coming about the structure, next one, this is about the okay, that is accessory gland में ये आ जाएगा आपके seminal vesicle वगैरह आ जाएगा, this seminal vesicle and all seminal vesicle, then it is coming about the prostate gland, this is about the Cowper's gland, these are all will be coming there, and last one is the external genitalia. Clear?